This message might shock you. Are you struggling to make your factory safer and more efficient without breaking the bank? Many vendors promise that security monitoring, access control, and equipment health monitoring can take your factory to the next level. But hidden costs and operational complexity often make it challenging. Today, I'll reveal 3 industry secrets that can elevate your factory's safety by 50% and double its efficiency. Don't miss out. First, ACTi's Factory Monitoring Solutions, powered by artificial intelligence, combine advanced video surveillance and access control systems to ensure unparalleled safety. Our AI-powered video monitoring system can instantly detect anomalies like unauthorized access, tailgating, or equipment failures and send immediate alerts. With our deep learning AI cameras, pinpointing the source of issues becomes seamless, enabling quick action. Unlike traditional systems, ACTi's AI-driven analysis offers faster response times and reduces server load, significantly cutting costs. Next, ACTi's access control system further enhances security. Using RFID technology and headcount analysis, it effectively prevents tailgating while ensuring accurate entry records. Our vehicle management system, powered by ALPR, automatic license plate recognition technology, automatically blocks unauthorized vehicles and alerts security about blacklisted ones, creating an impenetrable safety net for your factory. Additionally, ACTi's digital signage system delivers real-time emergency alerts and routine operational instructions, streamlining factory workflows. For equipment health monitoring, ACTi offers versatile solutions, including real-time optical or thermal imaging to check operational status, or integrating health data into the video management system to achieve comprehensive monitoring. These capabilities minimize downtime and boost factory productivity. Finally, ACTi's mobile monitoring solution provides unprecedented flexibility for factory managers. With our free mobile app, you can access real-time footage anytime, anywhere, and perform functions like video playback, event searches, and PTZ control, all at your fingertips. It's time to act. Transform your factory into a safer, more efficient, and fully automated powerhouse with ACTi solutions. Enhance productivity, ensure personnel safety, and cut costs, all with a partner you can trust. Visit our official website in the comments section to discover more surprises today.